So today I want to take a look at this item that I bought from Amazon. They call it a spice grinder. I would call it a mortar and pestle. And we're going to take a look at that. It's really a nice unit. I was quite surprised once I did get it. So there was quite a few different selections to choose from on Amazon. It was kind of hard to determine which one I wanted. And so all different price ranges, and I wanted something of a good quality. Now what I liked about this is I looked at the pestle and you could see I liked the design of it. It made sense. So basically that's what I did when I ordered this. And it shipped from China. In fact, it took 13 days. If you don't count the day that I ordered it, it was 13 days before I received it. And you can actually see where, when it went through customs, they must have opened the box, because the original wrapping that is on the box, you can see, is torn, and then they've got tape all around it with bare spots that show just the box instead of the wrapping that was around it. So taking a look at the mortar, it's got this nice lid, so just a plastic lid, see-through. So this way, as you're grinding your stuff, you can put this over it, and that allows for things from flying out. This thing's got some nice heft to it. I was very surprised. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not flimsy. So it's got to be constructed fairly well. Good materials, because like I said, it's got some weight. Then on the bottom, it's got this kind of like a rubberized, I don't know if it's not really a silicone. It might be some type of material like that. I wouldn't call it silicone, but it's got that nice on there. So it grips nice, and then also it protects the surface as you're using this from any damage. This is made from 304 stainless. So I thought I would put an assortment of peanuts in there. See how we can see how this works. Now I'm going to take that off because I think it'll be easier for me to actually see it. Although you see some does come out. So that lid does help, but I wanted to be able to see it better. We've still got some more to go here, a little bit more, but it works great. And again, being stainless steel, be easy to clean up. So I can say I'm very happy with this purchase. Sometimes you never know, you know how you see so many different items that are close, they're cheaper, or they build as good. It's kind of hard to say, but very happy with this purchase. It's well constructed, works great.